Just where's up on the, where was we at? Where was we saying that? Lake Park. Go ahead. Yeah.
We was down at my house one day. My old buddy Earl, you know, I ain't never met a smart Earl. We was getting prepared for lawn mowing season in Natarita, Colorado. And one day I went out there and told him, let's clean up the lawnmower. So I take off the air breather, and I threw a little gas on there, and I told him, go ahead and clean that up, Earl. I was walking back to blow out the air breather, and I told him, yeah, go ahead and light it up, Earl. I got full coverage insurance. And I walked into my shed, and I heard, whoa, Earl! Well, you told me to.
Earl. No, you didn't, Earl.
Earl, get that water hose off that gas.
Get your face out. Poor Earl.
Poor Earl. That's how lawnmowers get ready in Natarita, Colorado. Redneck lawn mowing season.
I just call up Earl. Oh, my goodness.